Alright, it's April. We've had our last frost, plenty of rain. We're planning on starting our own garden. My daughter Angelica and I are planning on starting it with some watermelon.
And pumpkin.
Well, there we go. So, things you'll need for this, or things we're going to use for this, is your Jiffy greenhouse, watermelon seeds. We're going to use some sugar baby and some jack-o'-lantern seeds. You're also going to need some water.
So first we're going to prep our greenhouse. These discs are dry. We need to hydrate them to use them. Oh gosh.
Put it around, honey. Alright, now step back. See how they're all jumping up in size? Some of them are still down some. You look in the channel and see, look, it's soaking it all up. Don't go on top, pour in the middle. Maybe not on top.
Next are seeds.
Alright, so we're not looking to grow a whole bunch of this, so we're going to grow 18 on one side, half and half. So one half will be watermelon, the other half will be pumpkins. And I already know that a lot of these seeds will dud, so if so, I'm only looking really to have about 3 or 4 plants. We'll just go from there.
Okay.
So she's going to start filling in from one side and working her way up on the 3 rows to the right with watermelon. Watermelon. One in each, and then start to fill back. Go ahead. Okay, so now that everything is planted, we'll just put our cover back on and give it a couple weeks, see what happens. If you start to dry out, you can add some more water.